Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about engine coolant sensor. Right? So let's see what it says. The engine coolant sensor, a coolant temperature sensor, is a thermistor that continually reports engine coolant temperature to the engine control module or the ECM. So what is a thermistor? Thermistor is basically a resistance thermometer whose resistance is dependent on temperature, right? So depending on the temperature, the resistance will vary. Okay, now see, the engine coolant sensor is a thermistor that continually reports engine. How it reports the engine? By sending a varying voltage. Varying voltage means, let us suppose the varying voltage is between 1 to 10 volt. Okay, so if one voltage is sent to the ECM, then it will indicate that either the coolant temperature is low or medium. If now see, if 5 volt is sent to the ECM, that will indicate that the temperature of the coolant is increasing, right? Next is there is a varying voltage signal that the ECM uses in different ways, right? Now let us move on to this table. You see, there are 3 columns. First one is temperature, resistance and voltage. Now see this varying voltage, how this thing works. If 4.5 voltage is sent to the ECM, that means engine control module, which basically controls and regulates the whole electrical circuit of a vehicle, right? Now see, 4.5 voltage is sent to the ECM. This will indicate that the temperature of the coolant is now 0 degrees centigrade and the resistance is 6000 ohm. Now see, in the next row, when 3.2 voltage is sent to the ECM, it will indicate that the coolant temperature now is 20 degrees centigrade and the resistance is 2500 ohm. Next comes 3.1. This will indicate 30 degrees centigrade and 1400 ohm. This was how this thing works, right? So this is the table. This table is called as temperature and corresponding resistance for a coolant sensor, right? Next, see this graph. What it says, this graph is basically temperature versus resistance characteristics of a thermistor, right? You see, in this graph, when the engine coolant temperature is increasing in degrees centigrade, the thermistor resistance is also decreasing, right? Now see, at the point of starting, when the engine temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, you see it gets maximum resistance, thermistor resistance, right? Now see, let's suppose it moves on to the 40 degrees centigrade, the engine coolant temperature. Now see what happens. This thing moves up to here. That means the thermistor resistance now is 20 degrees centigrade. So this is the characteristics. Now let us move on to the next paragraph. It says that if the coolant temperature is low, right, the ECM signals the fuel metering system to supply additional fuel or cold engine operation, right? So what happens now, see in this graph, when the engine coolant temperature is low, that means it will get maximum resistance. So what is required at that time? More heat needs to be generated to increase the coolant temperature. So how it is being generated inside an engine? By burning the air fuel mixture. Okay, so what happens, the ECM feeds the fuel metering system or the injectors to inject more amount of fuel so that the engine get warm up in a very less amount of time. Okay, next it says the ECM may also alter ignition timing to suit engine temperature. That means it may manipulate the ignition timing also. Okay, in the next paragraph it says the coolant temperature sensor provides the ECU with information about engine temperature and thus allow the ECU to make alteration of fueling or cold start and warm up enrichment, right? This is the same thing that has been discussed above. That means it regulates the amount of air or fuel that is to be injected inside the combustion chamber, which basically leads to the warming up of the engine in a very less amount of time. The last paragraph it says the temperature and corresponding resistance for a coolant sensor shows the approximate resistance to be expected between the sensor terminals for a given temperature. This means it is basically discussing about this graph. Okay, that means when the engine coolant temperature increases, the thermistor resistance basically decreases. From this, it will be seen that it is possible to test such a sensor for correctness of operation with the aid of thermometer and the resistance meter, ohm meter, that is also known as ohm meter, provided the exact reference values are known. This things also indicates that at the point of starting the engine, the thermistor resistance is maximum, and at that point the engine coolant temperature is minimum, right? So this is basically your engine coolant sensor. Thank you.